Understanding Observation Post, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, observation post. This phrase might sound straightforward, but it has specific connotations and uses in the English language. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just expanding your vocabulary, understanding such phrases can be incredibly helpful. So, let's get started. Observation post is a compound noun, which means it's a noun made up of two or more words. Let's break it down. Observation. This is the act of watching or monitoring something carefully. Post. In this context, a post refers to a fixed position or a place where someone is stationed. When combined, an observation post typically refers to a place where someone watches or monitors an area, often for military, scientific, or environmental purposes. The phrase, observation post, is often used in specific contexts. Let's explore some of them. 1. Military. Here, an observation post is a location used by soldiers to observe enemy movements and gather intelligence. It's crucial for strategic planning in military operations. 2. Wildlife and environmental studies. Scientists use observation posts to study animal behaviors, weather patterns, or ecological changes without disturbing the environment. 3. Astronomy. Astronomers might refer to their viewing locations as observation posts, especially when studying celestial events. To help you understand better, here are some examples of how observation post can be used in sentences. The soldiers set up an observation post on the hill to keep an eye on the enemy's activities. The naturalists spent hours in the observation post documenting the behavior of the rare birds. During the eclipse, the astronomers invited the public to their observation post to view the event through telescopes. Understanding synonyms can broaden your understanding of a phrase. For observation post, similar terms include lookout point, watchtower, monitoring station. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of observation post. This phrase is a great example of how English combines words to create new, specific meanings. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances and contexts of phrases like these. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonderful world of English.